everybody, in today's video I want to talk about Cosmos Airdrops and specifically about AQUA token airdrop for KUJI Stakers. I did the video already how to claim this airdrop for JUNO stakers. I highly recommend to check it, and the process for KUJI Stakers is a little bit different, so I decided to make separate video. So to claim the airdrop, and first the snapshot date, it was taken, I don't know the specific date, but it was happened like last week or the week before, because I do have my KUJI staked in Keplr Wallet for a couple of weeks only, but I was eligible for this one, so I highly recommend to check your eligibility if you have some KUJI in Keplr Wallet. So you need to go to their app. I will put the link in the description below if you're not familiar with this one. So on the top right corner you need to connect your wallet in there, so it's easy to do. So then you need to go to stake tab in here, and on the right corner you will see your pending rewards, and one of them is going to be AQUA token, and what you need to do is to claim all rewards. And once it is done, you will able to see your AQUA tokens in your Keplr wallet. And you know, for some reason I see mine under the KUJI network, and also part of the airdrop was on JUNO network added, even for KUJI stakers. I don't know how, but don't be surprised, it is going to be splitted between two chains. At least it is something happened for me. And yeah, it's like the easiest straightforward way how to claim it. And you know, a little bit about KUJI. So I think the price itself is very good now. It's a new kind of a new project launched on Terra, and now it's moved to JUNO. It moved to Cosmos ecosystem, and you know, as I see, it's more and more airdrops going to happen on KUJI, and I already see some new projects which are saying about their ability and willingness to launch some potential future airdrops, and snapshot will be also taken for KUJI project. So in this case, I think that KUJI network will be considered as an investment. At least it is something I'm holding for now. I bought recently because I think that it's quite nice price, and it could be one of the my holdings for Cosmos, and let's see how it potentially will go. But already I have the one airdrop from KUJI received. So yeah, it is actually all I wanted to share with you today. And again, if you have some JUNO, I highly recommend to check this video with claiming AQUA airdrop. Yeah, thank you guys for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.